Losing weight can be tough. It's even harder when you feel alone. Having a supportive partner can make a big difference. When couples work together, they are more likely to reach their goals. They can share healthy meals and exercise together. Support goes beyond just the physical aspects. It's about encouragement and understanding. Celebrating small victories is important. Did your partner choose a salad over fries? That's a win. Remember, weight loss is a journey with ups and downs. Open communication is vital. Talk about your goals and challenges. Listen to each other without judgment. Remember, you're on the same team. With teamwork and love, you can achieve amazing things together. So, let's embark on this weight loss journey as a team and enjoy the rewards of a healthier, happier life. Introducing PrimeGENIX CalmLean, a natural supplement that can aid in weight loss. It helps reduce cravings and promotes a feeling of fullness. This makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet. CalmLean is made with clinically studied ingredients. One key ingredient is L-carnitine. Studies show L-carnitine helps the body burn fat for energy. Another important component is forslean. This natural extract has been shown to help reduce body fat and preserve lean muscle mass. CalmLean is stimulant-free, so it won't keep you up at night. This makes it a great choice for those sensitive to caffeine. Many users report feeling less bloated and experiencing a boost in energy levels. This can further support an active lifestyle. Click the link below this video to get CalmLean. Supporting your partner doesn't mean being their drill sergeant. It's about finding fun and encouraging ways to stay motivated together. How about cooking healthy meals together? Experiment with new recipes and make it a bonding experience. Plan active dates that don't feel like exercise. Go for hikes, bike rides, or try a dance class. The key is to move and have fun together. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Did you both resist that tempting dessert? High five. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. Compliment your partner's efforts. Notice their commitment and dedication. Remember, losing weight takes time and effort. Be patient and celebrate every step of the journey together. PrimeGENIX CalmLean can be easily integrated into a couple's daily routine. Take 2 capsules daily with water. It's that simple. Combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. PrimeGENIX offers a 67-day money-back guarantee. This allows you to try CalmLean risk-free. They are confident in their product and its ability to deliver results. Remember those small victories we talked about? With CalmLean, you and your partner can celebrate even more of them. Less bloating, fewer cravings, and increased energy can make a big difference. Embark on this weight loss journey together, hand in hand, with PrimeGENIX. CalmLean as your ally. Let's strive for a healthier, happier future, one step at a time. Click the link below this video to get CalmLean.